All right, we got one in the boat. It's so rough, it was hard to turn her on. Yep. Okay, let me put the thong on. It's rough, so we're gonna keep whatever is legal here. Today is the second last. Can you turn it the other way? There you go. That's better. If he straightens out a little. Okay.
I'm keeping it. 26 and a quarter?
26 and a half at least.
Okay, it's good.
Yeah, maybe 3/4. 26 and 3/4.
It's staying.
Okay, he's staying. Okay. You go swim in the water.
Yeah.
Woo! You're bleeding.
That's what fishermen do.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this guy's seen us. The trophy. Okay, I'm trading bait. He's dead.
Oh, I got a dead one here.
No.
I'm going to grab the big one.
You need to change some water.
Yep. I'm going to grab a big one out of here, though. Get him on that area.
Ooh. Okay. Yeah, get the big one out. They take too much oxygen. Where are we? Okay. I think we're still around the area. It's hard to tell.
Check my bait.
Rocky.
Still got it.
Rocky.
Got it.
Hang on. Woo. That's it. Just pound that big old thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to put it neutral because I'm towing this guy. Come here. What are you? Big little Rocky, I bet. Yep. Whoop. It's a nice Rocky. Yeah. You're a nice little Rocky. Oh, you're a little female. Okay. A little fatty. Little fatty. Oh. Get rid of that bigger one. I think I should kind of look around here maybe a little.
Okay. Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
There we go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
That's a big one.
You might be going home with a 26 and a half. $34 feet.
All right. Hey, Georgia's got one on. What are you? Okay. Oh yeah, there's a keeper. Yes, sir. Woo! Woo! Bing bong.
Bing bong bang.
Last one probably for us
And
this season. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I see the hook in the net. Careful. There you go. Now we're safe. I'm gonna dump them back here.
Okay.
The big green, kind of a greenish one. Yeah, that's about a 33, I think. Whoo, yeah. Did it. There's mine back there. 26 and a half. Uh-oh. We got people coming.
That's okay, we're done.
Yep, we're floating off the spot. Okay, there it is. That's a beauty. I think you had another one on him. Go that way a little bit more. There you go. 31, I think.
31.
31 and a quarter.
Woohoo!
Nice job. Hang on a minute.
We're done.
Yeah, let's see. Okay. That's a greenie.
Yep.
Thumb down. Okay. Whew.
We're out of here.
Yep. We're out of here. Do a little change real quick.
Hey, we can sell some herring while we're out here.
Perfect. Perfect. Pretty sure it was that one. All right. Kind of a nasty day, but we still got them. We'll let this guy, maybe he might just survive. There, down he goes. Okay.
Sweet.
For a nasty, rough day, we did all right.
Got a lot of water in the boat.
Yeah, there's a little bit.
I got a lot up here.
Yeah, that ain't much.
Oh, that calls for a drink.
Okay. We're gonna move stuff around here a little bit. We gotta get our poles wrapped, net put away.
Oh, sucker.
Yeah, you should have seen that 36 flop, boy. Okay. Put this away.
Okay, this is out.
Supposed to be real nasty tomorrow, so I don't know if we're gonna make it. This here might be the last day. Today's Friday, the It would be the 14th. Yep. So off we go home. All right, it's Dan Sawfish. This is probably going to be our last fish of the season. They're calling for really bad winds tomorrow. Today wasn't fun out there either, but we went out. This is what we got. Buddy got the big one. I got the small one. That's all right. I'll take it. Probably our last fish of the season. Season 2024. All right, now we got to do some cleaning. All right, here we go. Time to clean. You got it sharp. That's sharp. Where'd you find that?
Really good knife sharpener.